What do you do for a living?
I'm retired, yeah. 55% of the people live here are retired. I was in commercial construction. I built data centers, hospitals, technology campuses for Google, Facebook. When I joined the company, we were like 50 million in revenue. When I left, we were 1.2 billion. Now they're like at 2 billion. Here's my retirement gift. Hold your hand out, see how heavy that is.
Oh, that is actually really heavy. Do you remember your first paycheck when you first started in this career?
$21,000 a year.
It's come a long way.